This evening, what a great crowd! I said, what a great crowd! Thank you for all your support. There are so many things that go on in Macclesfield. Please make sure you support our local traders. I'm very grateful to Silk FM for putting this great event on with the Town Council. Please, big round of applause for Macclesfield Town Council. Have a wonderful Christmas. Thanks very much.
Thank you, David. Santa, has David Rotley been naughty or nice? He's going to say no. Always nice. Always nice. So I think she's here. Santa. Here she comes. Excellent. So Lacey's going to help us turn on the lights in Macclesfield today. So, hello. Don't be shy. Right, tell me your name and how old you are.
16.
5. Wow, okay. And you're going to help turn on the lights and the fireworks in Macclesfield. That's a big job, you know. Gonna be alright with that, do you reckon? Yeah? We'll be fine. Right. Okay, right. Are we ready to do the countdown? I think we are. But before we do that, I'd just like to get a few words from the minister. So, who am I handing to here?
Hello, Macclesfield. As we light up our Christmas tree, may the light and cheer it gives be a sign of the joy in our hearts. May it be a beacon of hope to all who live and work in this town. And may we all find peace this Christmas, the true gift of the season. Amen.
I repeat, welcome to all from the town council, the mayor, the concert and cadet of this town. Many thanks for coming to see the lighting of this tree. I know we have all been looking forward to this evening, and it's great to wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Big round of applause, please, everybody. Okay, Macclesfield, are you ready for the lights to go on? Come on, you can do better than that. Are you ready, Macclesfield? Amazing. Right, guys, would you like to step forward? And we're going to do a big countdown, Lacey, okay? So when it gets to 1, you're going to put your hands on as hard as you can, and then all the lights are going to come on, okay? Are you ready for the countdown? Let's go from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! There they are, the lights are on in Macclesfield. And look at that, we've got some snow as well. Look out for the fireworks which are going to be going off just behind the church in Marketplace. Well done to Lacey as well, that was amazing. Well done you. And it's real snow. And all you guys in the crowd over there as well won't be able to see, but the crowd goes all the way up Chestergate tonight. I think this is one of our biggest crowds, so thank you to everybody that has come out tonight, braved the cold, as you guys make these events happen, so thank you very much. Just a quick announcement as well. If Mr. and Mrs. Lacey, if you could make your way inside the town hall for us as well. That's Mr. and Mrs. Lacey. If you can just make your way into the town hall for me.
Festive station.
So once again, thank you to everybody for coming out tonight. The music hasn't stopped here in Marketplace, so the Mydell Choir are going to be on the stage, singing us out in Macclesfield. And thank you to all our guests tonight for helping turn the lights on. David Rutley, the Mayor, the Minister, and Santa and Lacey as well. Thank you very much. Just another quick announcement. Mr. and Mrs. Lacey, if you are in the crowd, if you can make your way to the old town hall entrance on the side of the stage for me. That's Mr. and Mrs. Lacey, if you can make your way to the side of the stage. Don't forget to tweet us all your pictures as well. So very soon the Mydell Choir will be on stage. I don't know if someone wants to let those guys know that they can start setting up. Once again, Mr. and Mrs. Lacey, if you can make your way to the side of the stage, just by the old town hall. Just make yourself known to security.
Silkwise 6.9, your official Christmas 2016 station.
So don't forget all your pictures. Make sure you tweet them to us. Just use the hashtag Macclesfield. I will put the mannequin challenge on my Twitter page as well, @DenseWithUs, right? And I'll hashtag it with Macclesfield so you can see it. It features New Hope Clubs. That was very strong. And on the stage soon, the Mydell Choir will be here to sing us out. So grab yourselves some more wine, get yourselves some food, keep yourself warm. Because Christmas officially starts in a few minutes. The lights are all the way over Chestergate, all the way from Marketplace and the Christmas tree now stage to Macclesfield. Once again, thank you to everybody that has helped out this event. Thank you to all the acts. Welcome to New Hope Club as well. They were awesome, right? Hello, ladies. They're screaming for you. They're screaming for you. Let's all make some of that. So make sure you join in before the
Christmas 2016's best soundtrack is on. Silk 106.9.